unemployment rate, guys. But we all want to have a job. We all want to be independent. Ne? We all like Nami. I'm a person who likes nice things. You know. I grew up with ugogo no mawam, a single parent. Babengivalela. I've never been out.
Like
Definitely, it was my looks. Like mind you, nginazinqa. Ngimekahle. Ngimuhle.
Kanti awungafuna ukudedela mfethu.
Tetela.
Hey.
Eish. Ngabe isingaka phela.
Hayibo.
It was like le odole ukuthi eish ngiphuma high school senginswempu ngifaka imakeup ngifaka iweave and I was like the love of my life. If he dies, then I'd rather die. Because ekabheni ne imost abantu abayakhona ne amantombazane especially lapha eThekwini khona ama 2K like lenganza semares ne mayifika lapha la lenganza semares anywhere sike thina siqokulisi
why
makeup
hayibo
Is it true?
yeah see through yes
in the club
no mina la ngisebenza khona sasiqoka see through
they saw everything
Yeah.
but yeah shame it disadvantaged me singisi
yes
it ngithanda kanjani like like do you love me like ufuna mina ufuna kuba nami yini yabo like uthanda yeah because there was one time I actually like told myself I was no matter maybe it was my periods but I've once told myself what I'm not worth anything and I'm not worth any man. No man will ever love me.
Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Late CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not alone. I'm joined by
Noluthando Khuboni, Misunderstood Makhuboni.
Makuboni.
Yeah.
So nami ngibize kanjalo.
Ngibize Makhuboni please. Misunderstood. Makhuboni.
Okay, unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Hayi, nami ngiyaphila. And we've got usihle lapha ku background, so don't be surprised mayebuza le ende, ane.
Yeah, right, my sisters.
Ngiyaphila.
I said you go now. Yeah.
I got it for my mom.
Hey. Bathini sukuma mkami bakubone kusho kanjalo ngithi. Awufuni bakubona ama viewers.
Yeah.
Oh, angibona.
Awubakubona.
Yeah, usukuma mhlawumbe bakubona bagayine 360. Ubingelele nje.
Oh.
Yeah.
Of you once.
Eish. Ubashanga if you want.
If you want.
Yo. Angitshela vele. You've never thought of doing like a BBL?
Ufuna nginoke.
Hayibo.
Ooh.
Kanti BBL
Ima wethu ngiyayidinga.
angazi.
Yo.
Do you feel like ayidinga BBL?
Ngiyayidinga BBL.
I-natural body mina ngiyayithanda.
But ngiyayidinga yini BBL?
Hayi mina ngikubona kwama uyidingi.
Angidingi.
Wena ngongakho awuyidinga.
Hayi mhlawumbe ngidinga imami makeover mase nginomntwana. Yes. Like ifika ibuyiswe.
Oh, okay.
uNkulunkulu angibhibhiyela.
Hayibo. So, mawuthola umntwana ifika iyabaleka kwenzakalani?
Angazi but you do gain baby fats. So
Okay.
I would like to get rid of it.
Oh, so is there a way like of getting rid of it?
Yeah, like tummy tuck.
Okay. What's that?
Like udokotela uzofika asika ama parts aphese akuthunga. I would do that. After a baby nkosi yami ngibe sengilenga.
Hayibo. So, bayalenga.
Guys, you know, I must stop. You know, after you give birth, you ukuthi like umzimba wakho stretch marks and stuff.
Yeah.
So I would really wish for my husband to make a plan.
Yeah.
Ukuthi angibuyisele lento angone kuyona.
Ama stretch marks ayaphela ngithi. Awaphili.
No, lalela. ngizomithela umyeni wami
Yeah.
mangabe umuntu wami mangabe uyavuma ungenza i-makeover.
Mayengavumi.
Hayi phela
Shothi
ngirazi njena.
wonakele.
Let's do the honeymoon phase. Aya siqhubeke honeymoon.
Manje
Asiqhubeke.
mothi BBL yanunga.
I don't understand.
I think okay, wait. I'm talking rumors, right? But now I think of islonda esivulekile esinamafutha. How would it be? Like, would it not smell? Like mawulimele wena. Like la, thothi ubudlala iskateboard.
Yeah.
Kunuka for isikhathi esinganani.
Yeah, but angithi
Ithumbu mawuliqhumisile wenze operation inuka for isikhathi esinganani. Because I think iBBL ithumbu, like amafutha ethumbu.
okay.
I heard kunuka kanjalo. I heard.
So mawulimela
Angichoma, but-
akupholi make wathi
I heard emva kwesikhathi
Mm.
with i-maintenance
Yeah.
and imali uyakhona ukwenza. Kodwa ungavedane nje wenza iBBL ngalo 100,000 okugcina nawo. Mhlambe enza iBBL mhlawumbe no 300k. It's okay. Like thatha le mali secaleni ngihamba odokotela. Angazi guys, but even after years bayagula. So no.
Yeah. Man.
Hi. Okay. So like how much is BBL kahle?
I heard it's 100,000. Cause ngangifuna ukwenza ama hips ngisa insecure.
Kona lo mama lo wamaphoyisa uSenthumi ngathi yena ngathi uyenze nge50k or something.
Uyiphoyisa?
iBBL ban leyo.
Agent.
Wathi uSindi Makhathini
allegedly
wayenza
sizobona.
ngo-100.
Yeah.
Sizobona.
uSindi wathi wenza
Allegedly uSibi usho kanjalo uthi
Oh,
wayelela
kusho
lapha
kanjalo.
3 months busy police lento yakhe.
Usindi Makhathini wayenza ngemalini?
mina ngezwa because I'm a big fan. Kodwa ngalezo ikhathi wathi yena wayenza ngo-100k.
Yeah.
And wayenza nini iBBL yakhe? 2 years back.
Probably
2
3,
or
4.
3,
I don't
yeah.
know. Yeah, somewhere there. And yeah, should I look at, and then if like it's cheap, do you think is it safe though?
I don't think it's safe.
And how long does it take to do this thing at BBL to move these fats? Because I need but move my fats.
Hey, wazwa ngibuza sathi ngenzile. Did I not tell you God gave me?
God gave you a BBL natural one.
How? UNkulunkulu wangipha phela mina. Nanokuthi ngigrateful for lokho enginakho. Ongithandayo uyangithanda, ongangithanda ngangithandi. Angiboni ukuthi I would suffer myself so much for someone to look at me in an appealing way. No, umuntu ongithandayo uzongithanda ngineshwapha, uzongithanda nginezinqa. Makuthi kunjalo akahambe aye kwezinqa. Ongenazinqa uzofika kumina angithande. Maybe in my next life ngingathanda ukuthandwa abathanda abanezinqa. You get me?
Yeah. Izinqa ibaluleke ngani vele? For dogs.
Izinqa like abafana they show you more interest mawunezinqa.
Yeah.
But it also differs because some of us women we get confused.
Yeah.
Like some of us we like the feeling of a guy seeing attraction, which sometimes we don't end up understanding ukuthi umuntu akubalekile ukuthi bathi abafana dudlu ntombi kubudlu baha all of that thing because at the end of the day like attention uzoyithola bazokufuna kufana ugqoka ishort. You get me? Like you can wear a short dress ne like now you're gonna wear your short dress in a public space tabafana mhlabe wena uthi ngifuna lo mfana lona angithandi angifuni. Yabo, so that's iBBL for you. You don't know ukuthi lo mfana masekufunile. How do you know ukuthi lo mfana nje besefune le sexual desire? Awusazi manje ukuthi like ngathini. It's all about iBBL is like uqoka isiqephe.
Yeah.
Phambi kwecrush yakho. For attention.
For attention.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the validation. Engabe uthenga imoto, uthenga imqasho, qashise ngayo, ube nemali.
But nina vele niyayithanda iattention.
Imnandi.
Yeah.
But ngicela ungayifaki imali yakho phela. Enza okungcono.
Okay.
Build yourself ongcono. Thatha lo 100,000, thatha lo 50,000, uwakhe imqasho ube nemali yakho.
Yeah, okay. Hayi ngiyakuthola mina.
But some guys, they just have money laying around. And money laying around, like, to spend on whatever thing that they wish to spend on, you know. So, and it's very unfortunate to go see. I don't know if all you guys feel lucky, but most of those guys, they like to spend money on girls like you.
Yeah, those beautiful
On me?
girls.
Oh, I wish they could. I wish they could. I wish they could.
How much money, like, a guy will spend a go wench? Like on a normal date, or when you guys are hanging
On a normal
out?
dates, a guy is spending money on me.
Yes.
Guys, ngaseThekwini mina. Ngihlala namaZulu. Amazulu
Oh,
ongoqo.
don't say that.
Hey.
Ngibonile ukuthi uyala.
So we don't have lento leyo ukuthi umfana uspende kanjani. But mind you, do I mina ne ngangispane eklabhini, right? So ngangispane eklabhini. So the only time I've seen a person spend like buying on me is umuntu ozama ukungi-impress. Nakhona futhi it's where I'm at work. Mhlambe ufuna ukuthi ngiheheke ngize kuye. And it's like champagnes. And it's normally like abo 10K,
Hayibo.
15.
I-champagne ye 10K?
No, like mhlambe ufuna like ukuthenga ama champagne amaningi.
Oh, so he
Khona
spends.
ngizochazwa yilokho because another thing eThekwini abantu besilisa bathanda ukuthengelana utshwala. They can buy utshwala.
For you.
They can buy utshwala kodwa ngeke uzuyithole lo mali.
Oh,
Yeah.
they just buying alcohol.
They can buy you ngotshwala. Bazokuthenga. I know bengisipane eklabhini mina. I've seen so much and I've been there for like 2 years. 2.5. I've been there. Ngathi that's the only time I've seen umuntu wesilisa spenda eThekwini ngokwami ngoba angiyena kwezinye indawo iseklabhini. But on a regular day stampa umuntu stampa nje normal cocktails ntontoni yabo. Loyo 2000.
Eh.
Cute. Nice.
And guy angahambi na nawe nje endlini.
No.
It's just a date.
Uyaphi? Oh, ave kuba bhlungu mase kumele nihlukane.
Yeah,
Like,
like ususpendile mos.
Yazi wenze njani lo muntu mase spending?
Yeah.
Yakublock ngaphenda kukhulumisa
If
Serious?
unishile.
if umncintshini. Manje ngiyophinde ngimbone futhi eklabhini.
Yeah.
It's very nice let's
But kuyafana abanye bathi a guy can still sleep with you but ikusasa akakrecognize nanokuthi
Yeah.
ubani. It happens.
Yabo emsebenzini. Yo guys, I'm so sorry. Like most of my youth was dedicated in that place eklabhini. So most of my things engikhulumayo zaseklabhini so angazi ukuthi ngaphandle kukanjani. But in the club ne kungenzeka ukuthi uthola uguy omthandayo ongakuthanda. Even the rules are set ukuthi your boyfriend is not your boyfriend when you're there.
Yeah.
So it does happen ukuthi maybe there's a guy you like, ne? You'll been talking, you'll float, you'll had a connection. And the next thing, umuntu uzofika nengintombazane ngakusasa, akakwazi ukuthi ubani. Mind you, you don't know what happened. Like ngathini, you know when you're like drinking and when you're having fun, like you so cute, njenga nawe nje, you know, like you my type, we vibing, we drinking, and then we're gonna spend time, we're gonna bond. And then tomorrow you're going to come to my workplace with another woman. Yeah, it's normal. For my experience, yeah,
It's normal.
it's normal. And I'm not the only one. All of us. Ngisho nabantu abangenayo. Like abafika out last week, mhlawumbe behle noSma. Nangu uSmana usengale nalo munye futhi. So it's all normal. It's normally said.
And then when it happened, like, what kind of work were you doing? because there are a lot of works there, and I want you like to break it down.
So break it down.
Ukuthi eklabhini yakho, what were the things that were being done there, and what were you doing wena?
Okay.
What was your, what do you call it?
My job.
Your duty or your
Duties.
or-
Yeah, you're right.
yes, abafunde
duties.
kakhulu bathi designation.
So, we have ama hostess, we have ama barman, we have ama receptionist, we have ama manager, we have ama bottle girl, and we have ama waitress. Well, eThekwini ama waitress agqoka njenganama bottle girl.
Okay.
Okay.
Kwelami club le engangisebenza kulona. Like ama waitress ayigqokiswa ama bottle girl and ayifana namagqoks.
Okay.
Yeah. Like nje like sasididisa because you couldn't tell ukuthi are you a waitress or are you a bottle girl? Yeah.
Okay. And then what are the things that were happening? Like, and how did it started? Like Kale, did you love being there? How was the environment like at first and when everything started? And then Sizonyuga and I will find out what happened at the later stage.
Okay, so ngaqeda esikoleni ne cuz unemployment rate guys. But we all want to have a job, we all want to be independent ne. We all like Nami, I'm a person who likes nice things, you know. I like looking good, I like smelling nice. Ngiyathanda nje ukuswenka. Not ukuthi like ngifaka uGucci and stuff, but like ngibe muhle, ngibe representable and also have something. So, I enrolled with private college and bengifuna ukusikhokhela. So then I saw a post eseklabhini. Mind you guys, I grew up with ugogo noma wami, a single parent. Babengivalela, I've never been out. Angazi ngisho neshisa nyama, angikaze ngiye ndawo, I don't know anything. But I was like, this is a job and it pays. And at that time, ngaktrend by bottle girl.
Awu kahle mfethu kanti wawungajoli uthola umjida khipha kwese koshisa nama. Those just like normal things that even your just your boyfriend from high school can even do that for you.
No, my boyfriend from high school was different, but at that time it wasn't like that. Because ekhaya strict, they want to know everything I'm doing.
Okay.
Even though they want to know everything I'm doing, but they understand ukuthi ngi-teenage. But still, nishone area engikhule ngakuyona. I grew up like with suburbs, so asinabo abangani.
Asinabo suburbs scene.
But okay. Like asinabo abangani, asinabo ubuthi, yabo. So it was like, okay, mom. I also told my mom, ne. She was like, I'm mind you, ngasiqeda late isikole because ngabuyela. I'm 20 years old, and I was like, ma, ngicela ukuyosebenza eklabhini. She was like, no. I was like, hayi ma, ngiyacela. Wathi but umdala wenza noma yini ofuna ukuyenza. So then I went there, and it was the first training was my first time eklabhini.
You've never been at the club?
I've never been in anything. I've never, like, everything was nice. It was nice. Like, the first experience was nice.
What was nice?
Okay, you know what is nice? Imagine, out of high school, Pume High School, na kumaporisha DJ la. Mseve khuluma naye. Uyambuza uthingani, umlethela into ayidingayo. Like mhlawumbe uzophuza champagne, uphuza cognac. Cabanga, imagine that experience. Like fresh out of high school.
But do you feel like, cause now kunale stereotype so good see, it's like, hey, I'm sorry to say this, but also there are other stores. I don't wanna name.
No, please feel comfortable, please.
Yeah,
please.
I don't wanna name stores, but there are certain stores who be like, they are always beautiful girls. Like we know, when in fact I can just say it, like Boma Total Sport and sports scene, like they are always beautiful girls. It's like bakasha ngobuhle. The way it's like bakasha ngobuhle there. And so and the nalentole, it's like it also had gone so far. Even nagoma clubs, uguti. How do you look? Like, how is your body? I've never been at the clubs, but obviously we hear things about the clubs, you see. So it's a situation you're good to I'd never heard ukuthi there was a girl who has been hired and that girl hlampa akekho muhle whatsoever. Don't you feel like when also like you got hired because of how your look or how your body was at the time and stuff like
Definitely. It was my looks. Like, mind you, ngine kahle. Ngimuhle. Hey, bo, definitely. Duh. How definitely?
But that to me, that like even if I was your brother, I was gonna tell you, Guti,
No.
that's dangerous. Yes, because it's like entering. It's like angeke ungene in a danger zone area and expect not to be harmed. Like obviously you will get hurt. You must understand that. So you've never thought about that at first, or it was a situation you would say, you know what, I was just looking
Fresh
for
out
a
the
job.
boat sengimdala ngakuzwa.
Okay.
My mother warned me. As much as ngingakhala ngeclub, khona la ngisizakale khona.
Okay. Okay, let's hear then. Then you get to see, but I understand you.
Because
If you're fresh from
everything has
school-
50-50.
True.
It was fun and also dangerous.
Let's talk about the nice stuff. Let's start
Let's start with the
there.
nice stuff.
Yeah. Good. What was happening?
Okay.
Like-
So first of all, like first time is 7th. I got DJ aba serious. Like I think it was around Durban, July. Khona DJ Maporisa, khona uKabza, khona hey bakhona bonke, khona uThango Supreme, khona nje khona vocalist, everyone you can think about is in Durban, and you are there and you are working and you can see them, and they are men. Okay, as much as they won't talk to you, but their managers are talking to you. You know, it was like le odor ukuthi eish ngiphuma high school senginswempo ngifaka imakeup ngifaka iweave like icontent yami sishintshile for amagang asesicale like nginswempo, you know, like I'm better, you know, cuz bona bahlele ekhaya basebenza till now khona bahlele ekhaya, you know, and it was like fuck, I'm getting money. You know, like lapha nje uyagoduka no 2k, yo kodwa no 3k, yo uphuma esikoleni njalo, like you were doing your matric last year, ugodwa no 5,000 ukusebenza nje. That was a lot of money at that time. To think about it, that was a lot of money. Amatipu.
So you used to get tips.
You get tips. You get tips. I'm a waitress and I'm a tip ebusuku.
When I could imagine, what's the highest tip you've got?
The highest tip I've got, Shemi, kagu 6k.
Just a tip
from different peoples.
No,
people.
Muntu ayedwa. And another person like so thina like akwenze ukuthi sibe namatafula ayi2.
Okay.
Yabo. Like thola ukuthi khona lo munye ohlamba ozothi kwena hayi wazolanda endlini. Angeke umnake ke loyo. Uzonaka unyoko. Yakumnake. Yakumnake. Uzomnakelani?
What if uzothola more than 10k?
Oh, ngiyolala naye endlini.
Shuthi
mina ngesilima ngibhizi ngitanta namaqhoks abhlungu guys ngigqoka lace.
Okay.
Ngicabanga no. Bese kube khona lo munye futhi oseduze kwakhe. Akunike nje tip yakho kamnandi. Akunike 1k wakho, akunike 2k wakho, akunike 3k wakho. Noma imalini. Umnaki, umnese. Umdeshela umfana nama eyes. Lo the ngizomba naye endlini ule khonini.
Kanti awungafuna ukudedela mfethu.
Dedela.
Hey.
Eish. Ngabe isingaka phela.
Hayibo.
What you princess yabo dlaletha?
Lento lena kanti anisebenzisa imithi like that, bring this thing closer again.
Okay. I believe ukuthi empilweni whatever you use is something you believe in, ne? So mawubona sengathi umuntu uzokusebenzela, uzosebenzisa. Mawubona sengathi uThixo uzokusebenzela naye. Ngiyangizwe ne like ukuthi befaka izinto ngaphansi, yabo like begqume bephalaze, all stuff like that, ne? Umuntu uyazenzela into ayenzayo okukwakhe, but mina njengoba mase kuthiwa ngiyakwenza ngeke ungisebenzele because angikukholelwa. mhlambe wena mase kuthiwa uyenza kungakusebenzela ngoba uyakukholelwa so yeah so angazi but nje angazi kodwa like bakhona abantu abadayisa estradini why behlezi bethengwa if iyonakala lento
kanti ayonakali
why behlezi beme lapha bebuye
I don't know
lapana like kambi kephi guys aningikhumuzeni ngibonile phela njengoba ngilike gold labo sisa bame lapha yana kunini babe trend iminyaka emingaka labantu ababa 50 rand
oh yeah it's nugget
nugget indaba bengakhanselwa if kuyonakala because for sure lo muntu uhlangane nabantu abaningi ngosuku lodwa
but laba bakhathele man
bakhathele kodwa why bethengwa aba give up ngani mawuthi ama client awezi hayi indawo lento guys ningayikhohlisi
so regardless ukuthi ungalala nabantu abayingaki
bethu umuthi whatever you believe in uyathandaza awuthandazi imentality yakho ezokwenza ucabange ngale ndlela imentality yakho because naba belungu bayabathatha lapha estradini babeshadi ishintsha impilo yabo well kakudala ngazi noma manje basenza
hayi vele bogcina ngaba belungu
no out no out hambe umhlalise emakhaya ubani wazi uthi wayenzani eGoli ingodi yami eseThekwini
uzomthemba kanjani umuntu
uzowenzani emakhaya usekhathele
akhona amadoda phela nasemakhaya futhi kalambile lawa ya
but kodwa if like you are used to because obviously now so satisfier like different sizes on different days so would you cope with one size
it's gonna be hard
uzokhopha kanjani with one size if you're used to different sizes
maybe ikunelisi
remember you are used to that
guys
and that's what excites you
yebo
angihleki ngiyakhala
wena waze eNigeria
wena uthi ngiyahleka kahle hle angihleki ngiyakhala kodwa wena uthi ngiyahleka angazi with sizes ne but na ungakhom ay guys no I think it's too offending angifuni ukuyiqhatha with if future husband yami or anything cause ngisane kusasa la angifuni but sizes and stuff size doesn't matter it's how wenza ngakhona matters it's a statement esakhona namanje
nina mase nihlukana nomuntu it's wena uzozo sekuthiwa hey unento encane nani
kuyakulimaza ngithi lokho how would you feel if ngitshotha into yakhe incane emva ukulala nami ngitshela abantu ukuthi wena uyabheda empedeni how would you feel
you feel bad
I'm attacking you I attacked you and it worked I attacked you
kanti kwenziwa yini ukuthi mase nihlukana
like
amagama sekuphuma amagama angekho right
angazi mina la last time ngihlwane nomuntu ngajike ICU kodwa ngizange ngimhlebe
kokwenze njani ujike ICU
yo lo muntu lona like wathola like abantu aba close nami waphinde futhi wathola namantombazana amaningi wangihostel birthday party wabiza zonke ifeve amantombazana wabiza wonke amantombazana ajola nawo and all of that I was forgiving cheating until it came to a point where wangitrenisha indaba ukuthi mina like angazi I was being a psycho. Like I've came to a stage where I was losing my brain. I've lost all my friends. I've lost everything. Like he made sure I was alone. Yabo angisena bangana ngisena lutho. Wayengikhatha na yonke into esondele eduze kwami. And he made me feel like ukuthi I know lo nje bongani wakho unomona. Ngikhiphe. Suka kuyena. Yabo so yeah. Yeah.
But what led to that? Because obviously angeke into kuba ukuthi sekaqhatha nabangani
so kwaba khona intombazane yafika nezimpahla room endlini yabo so le ntombazane yayithi she's moving in because
ukhona nawe
wait I'm cooking
oh yeah
wathi intombazane she's moving in and since emuva in akanayo indawo ukuhlala so ucela ukuhlala inyanga ngikhona mina at that time and ngangivakasha, mind you. So it's these high school days you are asking me about, ne? Because mina ngiyavalelwa ekhaya. Mina ngenza show to 5 ngishayela endlini ngama weekend.
Okay.
So now the girls like yena uyamove in. Angikho during the week mina. Ngikhona ngama weekend kuphela. Wathi ugeli uyamove in uzohlala muhle, mpofu. Mina ngimnyama.
Yeah.
And then ke intombazane yapayisha impahla zakhe, so then I went on her social media ngambheka ukuthi ubani wenzani. Bese ngiyisayikho. Ngambheka ukuthi ubani ngabona ukuthi no share an ex. Because ubekipitile ne boyfriend yakhe. So then I followed ex yayo ngai DM ayitshela ex yayo ukuthi your girlfriend is endlini yami. Endlini yendoda yami. And mina ngihlali khona and I come like twice a week. So then apparently this guy's against her, is like the G brothers.
Okay.
And then he threatened the guy I was dating. So the guy was dating, mind you, umcimbi ekhaya. Kwasiza ukuthi umcimbi, ngaba ngihleli nani na. Umcimbi ekhaya, and the guy dated was like, ungibulalisa nabantu, just know if I die it's your fault. And I was like, the love of my life. If he dies, then I'd rather die. And then ngaphuza amaphilisi ke wonke.
Hayiwe.
Ngapass out kanti bazofika ekhaya like uzofika ukwazi nomncane. Ngiphalaza igazi. Like I'm close to dead.
Yeah.
Fast babiza i-ambulance. Athi fast, and at that time like sasingase eHotalu ekhaya kuba kagogo. So sasingasemhlanga hospital, like a Gateway hospital. So apparently that's the fastest hospital for people who are naughty, who are trying to kill themselves. Sathi ngisathi angishaya drip. Sathi ngisathi hey ngathi ngiyavuka ngiyabona ukuthi ngise ICU. Ngacasuka. Ngase ngicabanga ukuthi uma ugogo. Yo.
Yeah.
And also the guy, they knew him because it was like mina, like I share with my mom everything. Yeah. So I told the man ngizwana nalo. Yo, so ike wahamba ke. Wafika uguy esibhedlela neuma wamthuka. So wafika uguy esibhedlela nje ekhala and stuff, and I was like, you alive? I was like, wow, wathi uyaxolisa ugela usehambile.
So now you drank those pills thinking you could see somebody
is gonna die because of me. Psycho ne. Ngaba nihleli nami.
Yeah.
Ngaba ngikho la.
but yakufundisana lento leyo.
Yangifundisa ukuthemba but expect.
Yeah.
Cause yazi umuntu uma umtshela into ukuthi ayezwa. There are some people who tell you ukuthi Chomi, expect negative, expect, you know, all of that, like everything has a 50-50 ne? As much as you feel like it's true, but always expect, yabo, like kwangifundisa lokho ukuthi nginga expect and ngingathembi kakhulu. Now I must also like limit myself when it comes to love. But now angisenalo uthando because no nginalo kancane. But so long ngasebenza eklabhini emva kwaleyo break up yami yacisha ngibulala. Ngayingenele eklabhini kanti vele sengidume ngokudayisa. Benokuthi angisayona i-wife material or ngihamba nqunu or abantu besilisa abaningi bangibuka nje sengine elimbi. So ever since then ke
because of usetlapini.
Yeah.
Why they were saying we are days? What led them to say that?
Because eklabhini ne most abantu abayakhona ne amantombazane, especially lapha eThekwini khona ma2K like lengaza semaresi ne. Mayifika lapha lengaza semaresi like lengane zisuka emakhaya guys. They coming from poverty. Mind you mhlawumbe kube kuno round wodwa. So like lo mntwana loyo umuntu wesilisa ozothi excuse me ozothi ngicela ukunginika 1500 like now uyacabanga ukuthi mase kuthiwa ngisendela umali ingamsiza ngokuthi yebo. So uzobathola bebangaka lapha bebangaka noma ubani uvuma yonke into like ba free isimilo asekho like ngisho nangendlela yokugqoka like okay fine vele clubbing you supposed to be free but khona lokugqoka lokho ukuthi hayi wena hayi uzofisha. So umuntu oze clubbing uyazi ukuthi wonke lamantombazane engihlalisa nawo angithengisa utshwala ngenkani bese ngihamba nawo.
Yeah, ne.
So mina mawuthi ngisebenza khona, then obviously I'm part of the crew. Anywhere sike thina siqokulisi.
Why?
My makeup.
Hayibo.
Is it true?
Yeah, see through, yes.
In the club.
No, mina la ngisebenza khona sasiqoqa see through.
They saw everything.
Yeah.
Not everything, not everything.
Not everything. Ay, Melissa clubbing.
But yeah, shame it disadvantaged me.
Yes.
It disadvantaged me in terms of ukuba relationship. No, uthi ngithola umaqondana. Or ever be in a situation again la ngizokwazi khona ukuyithayima ukuthi.
So now, what about your love life, or what was going on at the time?
Right now khona ngimthembayo, but hey, ya khona ngimthembayo ngendlela ngisaba ngakhona. Ngiyasaba. Sengilimeli. Because even at the club I've tried dating.
Is it? But it never worked out, didn't it?
Yo. Never worked out. Like kakwenzeka like umuntu ne like yabo thina nje wasipana and stuff angithi thina like siyavalelwa. So mase kuphuma and stuff like akuvela kaku difficult ukuthi umuntu vela akuthole club mawusipana. But like akukhona lokho ukuthi hey lapha nje uzohlala nje nesoka nje yabo nje ngawe nje yabo like untanga wami yabo and stuff like ungitshela uthi hey mama uyangichaza yabo like cela inamba yakho and stuff like isikhulume sibe mnandi like isiplan ukuthi okay mama since ulele imini yonke let's go watch a movie, let's go chill, let's drink, let's go on a date or let's go out yabo ebusuku and places that are open ebusuku are the clubs vele. And then ke flow pheke nawe ke bese kenzeka nje kusasa afike nomunye umuntu noma afike nomunye umuntu aphinda ashele nomunye umuntu osebenza naye omusha.
Like kwenzakale some stuff between you guys, then I move on.
And umthetho uthi mawusemsebenzini uyasebenza, must be professional.
Lapha inzondo ithini njengoba umbona?
Yo, some things you learn to master ukuthi ungayifili. Ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. There's some things you actually learn to master. Because there was one time I actually like told myself, maybe it was my periods. Because I've once told myself, I'm not worth anything and I'm not worth any man. No man will ever, 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 ever love me.
Kanti lento yothando ihamba kanjani? Umuntu mayekuthanda, does it supposed to spend on you? Like does it supposed to be materialistic ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi ubone ukuthi ugayi uyakuthanda, or just uthando nje umuntu even if anganamali engenalutho it's just okay? Like what's your view on that?
My view ne guys ngizokhuluma ngehistory because ngumuntu olimele ne and angifuni ukufika nokulimala kwami but angifuni ngiphinde ngilimale. So number one for me is loyalty. I put that in it's the front. It is loyalty for me. I would want to test you. I would want to see you in a situation, in all of the situations where ngalimala kuwona. First, because I'm different. Like I actually do feel different right now at this point. So I would want to see you ukuthi like ungithanda kanjani, like yo, like do you love me, like ufuna mina ufuna ba nami yini yabo, like uthanda yeah ngifuna ukubona. I want girls to walk naked in front of you, like I want I want to see ukuthi will I not go back there because I like before I open my heart again to love, I would love to know ukuthi am I in a safe space to do so. So for me, it is just loyalty first. Shimali, shoguti noguti. Loko kunye, we can talk. Uguti, okay, what are you doing? What am I doing? How far are we going? Do you support me? Or like what? Like yabo? Yes, that's me. I'd want to see you first.
Okay. Besides these girls, about Samares Laba, which were selling, like, is also is stuff selling there? Like, is there stuff that you've seen with like yo,
Stuff.
even abante sebenza nabo or abanya from different departments now, they were doing the same thing apart from the students?
So apparently ngqoshiwe. So apparently amantombazane emsebenzini awadayisi amantombazane emsebenzini like istaff asidayisi ne, but kuyenzeka ukuthi kube khona like labo manager abazothi ngenkani like ukuthi hey thatha noma yini hamba, yeah bathi thatha noma yini,
You are forced.
no like like okay situation yami ne. So like I was waiting for i-Live Club yami ne. So njoba ngangilindile so I'm friendly ne. So when you knew, obviously I'm gonna welcome you. Yabo, cause anginayo lo ntizo yomona, anginayo lo nto mina. Yabo, if I would like you to also, I would like to see another woman win. I'm a girl's girl. So like this one time ngangicela namantombazane, and it was actually my first time experiencing something like that, and I was shocked, yabo. Cause like ngawathi amantombazane ngathi hey bafethu asambeni. Silinde upa. Okay. How next thing you know it's kwafika ngazi manager Tontoni. Wathi hey wosani ngenkani yabo, lokho ukuthi phela yithi namhlonipha umuntu onisebenza naye. Yabo, as much as ningajoke amansebenza, but sengithi niyamhlonipha. Next thing you know ithi sekuthiwa hayi hambani nalaba wara. So manje labantu abasha bathi kumina they're not going unless I'm going.
Yeah.
Yes, they're not going unless I'm going. And I was like, no, my babies, I have responsibilities. Number one, I have a dog. I need to feed my dog every time in the morning. Go 7. Ngimkhiphe ayo toilet. So I have responsibilities. Ngabatshela ukuthi no, I have to leave. Like I have to. So then ngahamba ke shuthi bahamba nabo. Shuthi lo munye owahamba nami like siqoshiwe soyi2. Bese lo munye owahamba o like ohamba nathi kodwa wabuya wahamba nalomunye akaxoshwanga. So ukudayisa kwethu like obviously, okay wait guys, as a staff ne, hear me out. Every time when you get to the club ne, like all the time when we are tolerate. Qonda ukuthi what is interesting about indawo la wazi khona ukuthi ngizothola awukhaleni yini uyoloku uyibuka lento le wazi kahle ukuthi angengiphinde ngiyithole, like I know I uthi angengiphinde ngiyithole, like angisoze ngayithola. So we are like Tina, we are like ukuthi I know like man ube hard to get, like ube lento le engatholakali because you are exposed.
Okay. Then why were you fired then?
It's because I think ngavala ama angles because ngi OG.
OG. Okay. I like that word.
Sengiphashile sebefuna basha. Kodwa vele guys, bawungena eclubini yosebenza. We are each other vele now ukuthi I'm not going to be here for long, you know. You must always have something and think about ikusasa ukuthi okay lana uzibekele noma u2 years noma 1 year. Ujele kahle ukuthi I know. Yabo emva kwala like funda something nje. Wazahle mhlophe uthi okay, I have something. It's like being an artist, like a artist for 1 minute. Mhlawumbe uthole lo mali, like use it for something to help you. Kukanjalo.
Kanti imali lapha yana, how were they paying? Like were they paying well? Like how
la ngisebenza khona bebekholela like u300 rand a night osebenza ngayo engakwenza ukuthi usebenze once a week so imali wawudependela kuma tip so that's why ama waitress amaningi eThekwini angamkhonza umuntu ongamtip.
Oh.
That's what makes your salary.
Yeah, and sometimes you don't even get the 10%.
10%. Oh,
Abangumphakathi usukubona usunqunu.
Ooh.
But awutholanga next.
Like kenzeka. Amathipho watholayo sakho umuntu mawumcela eceleni say please. But yeah, 10% mhlawumbe uzothola from 10% uzothola 5%.
Wait. Like lama percent lawa enye iya ku club owner or something.
Hey, I wish I could tell you, but there's always a story ukuthi we're paying for runners, we're paying for this, we're paying for that.
So kumele bathathe kuyi tip yakho.
Shoot. Yeah. So you make more money mawucela ecaleni.
Yeah.
Then when in a week bowunokungena mhlambe how many times?
Hey, mina mfethu angazi ukwenzakalani naphana because like umuntu ne bekwenza especially ngeDurban July like kakuba khona amabhill o 80k like so tip yakho 15,000 10%. Mind you uzovedane nje uthole like 5k or 6k from normal. Yeah, kabuka kanjalo mind you uzomncenga customer ukuthi le 10% i compulsory because nayi customer my cook ithi usifakela bani 10% ifakela wena ngithi ne service yakho uthi wenze njani. Yeah, enga understandeki le nto leyana shame yo enga understandeki but uzobekezela phela because ufuna imali nje angithi and whatever you are getting like iyakusiza. Especially when you're young, like me, you're young, you are childless, uyazama. Noma yini, mina nje like ngisho mhlambe no 5k is enough for me. Like it's like I paid for school fees. Yabo. No.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Oh. Hey, man.
We 2k mos mncane nakimi we jeez.
So that's why ngichaza nje nami ukuthi noma yini oyitholayo ngalesimo okusona ngalesikhathi okusona is good. So it's worth ukubekezela. Napho no manager oba ama Nigerian bakuthuka akushonisa lena kodwa konke lokho uyakubekezelela.
So I'm a manager wako. There's no one from the management that had ever asked you like to take you home.
Take you home.
Basile.
Yeah. Hey Basile labana yo. That's all I'm going to say. Hey Basile.
Then like is it true was he there? Some chains are there vele to buy. Some are there. There are guys who also come just to spend money and still don't even care about you or to take you home.
Oh yes. So there are like people for celebration, like abantu abawinile, bathole business, whatever is business partners or they did well.
Tender.
They come on tender, like it was a successful tender.
Yeah.
There are those, and there are those I think bazogeza.
Oh, imali.
No. Hey, bazogeza like hey, bazogeza like abagangayo.
Oh.
Like with ugeza like bathatha amabhadawo bofaka amantombazaneni.
Yeah.
Ngisho lokho kugeza.
Kenzeka kanjalo.
How? Na. And there are those who are just nje like who love to have fun. Like imagine Maporis uyadlala ubani which other biggest DJs guys ubani help uBlack Coffee. Uyadlala uBlack Coffee. Uzwenze njani? Won't you get out of your bed and go watch Black Coffee?
Yeah.
So lutho wena nje uvela unemali. It's just that like but won't you like get out, dress up and go watch Black Coffee?
Obviously you would.
Yeah, it's it's like a country with different nations at once.
Manje nisaba ukuthola lokungcola lokho kulabo basuke bezogeza.
Like akageze nje kumina. Melalele nawe phela lo muntu ogezela kwena.
Then, was there ever a point whereby you were approached by a guy and felt like intimidated? What I mean by intimidated, to someone that you'd believe ukuthi mhlambe usebenzisa umuthi ukuthi mhlambe akuthola noma ube seduze kwakho whatsoever. You've never felt like that ukuthi mhlambe kuba nomuntu because you're beautiful and you're there by the club, so someone would be like, okay, this one she's being a difficult one. Yeah, this one she's being a difficult one, so I'm gonna play it the hard way.
Yeah, ne angazi. But yeah, bakhona vele abantu abanjalo. Bakhona abantu abanjalo like abashela mhlambe, but nawe ke like mhlambe umuntu attractive ukuchazile muhle and like usehambile ne kodwa like iyabuya ngithi ingqondo, like iyabuya ingqondo because when I mind you uzohlala niyastocka nibali stock so niphuma ama customers sekukade godukile. So it happens ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ibuye cause mhlambe sothi angisenhlangene nezi staff ay nami ungishelile yabo all of that like nami ngiyamfuna yabo and then like uzothola ubani qala.
Okay, then tell me about like your relationship with other girls there by the club. How was it? Like, how was the girls treating you? As much as the ballers, when they see you, they give you tips. Then how are they seeing the other girls?
Okay, hambeni lesikhathi ne. Mhlambe sasiba u2 esasime kahle. But mina I was bigger. So, lo munye girl waye small but the other girl ne yena waye right, but mina it was always situations after situations after situations like ukuhlebana, and mina I told myself ukuthi like I'm nice, ngizokhuluma nawe, ngizozwana nawe ne, but it doesn't mean ukuthi sesiyabangani or si close, because the last time I've done that ngibe ne friendship nomuntu like it didn't work for me mfana fuqamamanga. But then manje I just mind my own business. But nabo kodwa like ngiyacika bra like ukuthi umuntu abe like asikhulisanga ngokufana, asiphume emakhaya afanayo yabo. So amalanga wafani, kusasa uyawina nami ngiyawina. So kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ebengisebenza naye mhlawumbe le customer lena ingithandile mina yabo, mhlawumbe ngithandile mina for that day, and when ubumserve and akakunika ngalutho kodwa mina uzonika mina imali yabo. So kuyenzeka ukuthi udinwe ukuthi why enikwe lona imali, inzondani yaqala sekuyakhulunywana ke manje, hayi ulale naye, hayi ugoduke naye, hayi bengeke ayithole leyo mali, hayi vele lona. And even there was also this one time where I had a customer elwenye section wayefuna ukungithengela champagne ne, and ngavuma mina, right? So the guy lied, I didn't even give him my number, like I'm number fake, negama fake yabo. So this one girl, she was like, kumina, why am I lying ngithi nguyena and stuff? Why am I using a drunk person? Meanwhile, the rules are, ukuthi vele umuntu mayidakiwe, that's your opportunity to ask for whatever you want, which is alcohol. Ne? So, like, leyo nto yangidalela ukuthi hayi mina ngitshotha ama-customer, hayi mina ngitshotha it's like mina ngitshotha amadoda abantu, you know. Mind you, those men don't even know me. They don't even have my number. Because another thing they forget, lapha eklabhini, ukuthi that guy remembers you with that uniform and who you are. But tomorrow, he doesn't know you. he just knows ukuthi I'm going to the club where there are people who are wearing like this.
And then, have you ever been approached by guys, maybe back offer mali, let's just say?
A lot. Bonke. A lot. Not bonke, but a lot.
Akekho one wako wina.
No. No. It's a win. No.
Engathi amadoda iyawakhompera wena. Kanti kanjani amadoda aseThekwini nawaseGoli?
aseThekwini ahlungumezana umoya. Like impatho yabo. Because lo muntu angijese ICU umZulu. umZulu.
eGoli.
Akekho umuntu eGoli, like I don't hear the stories that I hear as a citizen. Like stories zabo is not as worse as ours. It's not as worse as ours. Ours are terrifying. Like you sitting in the house now, ngumngani yakho sefika nentombi like, oh mama, understand? You know, like all of that. Like tapu ihlalele uyipholele. Next thing you know it, useposta umngake, useposta intombi yakhe akakutshelanga. Like umuntu akushele engasho kuwena uthi hayi ngishadile nginentombi. Yabo, like it's like eThekwini ba enjoy. Mokhala. It's like a satisfaction. Ukhala kwakho, ugowa kwakho, ungabi nabangani. Number 1. Umothola nomZulu must never have friends. You must never go out. You must be islima and you must be very depending on them. And at the same time he will go to another one who is opposite of what you are.
Niya accept her vele.
Angwaqoma amazulu mina. Ngajike ICU angeke ngiphinde ngibuye.
Usho ukuthi sibhedi ngaleyo ndlela.
But umZulu waseGoli nomZulu wangale KZN bayafana.
Ukhulele KZN lo mZulu waseGoli. Ukhulele eGoli. Yeah, all right, because mentality yakhe iyafana nale yabanye. So it can work. It can work.
Kahle wena, what do you okay, like if a guy now approaches you and try to use what he has, maybe he's got a beautiful car, beautiful house.
I've seen cars, baby. I've seen cars, baby.
Yeah.
I've seen swag. I've seen swags. I've seen Rolex.
Ooh.
I've seen bills. So
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Iluphi uhlobo lomuntu olupreferayo like irace?
Hey mina, I prefer umuntu ongathandi ukubukwa abantu.
Yeah.
Like umuntu ongathandi ukwenza into khona ezothola iapproval. Like njalo umfana ozothi kuchi aphinda thathe yini ikey awubeke la.
Okay.
I know I
Yeah. So, okay. Sengisho ke mhlambe uprefera njengoba umZulu umkhabilo athi awafuna.
nabo bachoma nje.
So Mapedi, Mavenda.
I don't know them.
Okay. Outside country, Nigerians,
Never.
Pakistan.
Never.
Oh, my friend.
Never. Yeah, nje hayi mina no guys umuntu ochomayo like abafana bachoma kakhulu hayi that's not real world for me. Nakhona futhi happy world I know ikhona ibalekile ukuthi nibe right vele ni motivateani but awu angibathani nabo abantu laba abafuna ukubukwa like umuntu
So ngokwakho wena othandweni kahle kahle limele.
ngempela
Ngiyabuza.
I've healed. Don't know if it's healing or healed.
It's healed. It's
I'm
already
glad.
okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's healed.
khona la oke wathi khona uke wafika to the point ukuthi ulo muntu wesifazana obona ngathi akasekho right for abantu besilisa.
Yes, like
kwenzeka
yabo at that time ne it was njengoba ngichaze eqaleni into ukuthi like you see someone ne and you think ukuthi okay, let me try and let me see how it goes, and lo muntu will be with somebody else the following day ukhona, and there's nothing you can do. Thola ukuthi samele uyithelele champagne leyo ntombazane yabo. Oh yes, there's this one time this one guy ne so there's one cool guy, like nobody knew him, so the guy was buying champagne, I'm saying champagne was so nice, and then he called me for a date. Now we dates can't even get my work employees accompany me because I'm scared. Like it was like the few girls really now. And then like next thing you know, the guy started asking out the girl and I chilled for a second and I was like, okay, it's fine. And then next thing you know, they went on dates. I'm saying I'm bouquets. Mind you, I just got flowers now, but at that time, I've never had received flowers before in Bilwin. Saying I'm flowers, I'm and stuff. And I was like, damn, bruh, shooting nyanyisa, like shooting your bed. And everything was happening at the same time. No munye futhi ngalana uyangishela phinda shela nomngane nami omunye futhi nalo munye futhi ngalana like bangijudge nalo munye uthi ngiyafeba ngingafebi yabo like umfana ongishela like ongishelayo uthi kodwa ngisifebe yabo nje kakuningi. So at that time I was like yo ay ayakekho umuntu ongithanda fana.
Abafana kanjani ufika shela umngane wakho?
Ingangisho eThekwini. That only happens in Durban.
Bathi impilo yaseThekwini nathi siyazi asihlala eThekwini. Hey. We are lucky nje to have umuntu waseThekwini siseGoli.
eThekwini nenza kanjani kanti
yeah.
Ushela umngane uthatha zonke.
Awungitshele vele, do you believe in lento le ya girlfriend allowance?
No, because unginike imali ne at the end of the month wazi ngani uthi le mali le izongisiza inyanga yonke indaba ungangisiza mangikudinga
kanjani
kahle like uzonginika malini enyangeni
mhlambe if let's just say maybe I give you like 5k a month.
What if lo 5k overtime ube nenkinga leso sikhathi? Let's say ngidinga Uber, let's say ngidinga uyohlangana nabangani bami for lunch, or let's say ngiyashodelwa something like as my partner just nje hayi ukuthi ngubaba wami but ukhona ne. So what if ngiyakudinga like transport, all of those things, like why lo mali ungayisave mhlambe nawe isenzisa kwinto oyifunayo and then mangikudinga ungilekelele yinabo uzonginika imali njalo ekupheleni kwenyanga.
So believe kuyo
ayi mawuzonginika imali ekupheleni kwenyanga nje kuphelele lapho.
Hawu ufuna nenye futhi in between the month?
Asithathe le mali onginika yona ekuqaleni because mayisefika lo mali mangazi ukuthi nami njalo ufana nokuhola mawuthi njalo ngepayday yami khona imali engenayo uyoba naleyo nkinga njalo yaleyo mali engenayo, and then your man is gonna feel not worth it. Kanti indoda yini umsebenzi wendoda?
Yini umsebenzi wendoda vele?
Like eBhayibhelini kusho ukuthi the man is here now as much as okay mine me whatever 2020 what as fun as abantu, but nami ngiyakuthanda ukuthi like yabo.
But ungitshela why girls like would want things abangas afford at the time mele zicover ama boyfriends, like why is that? Because now you are saying if like I want to go out with friends, imagine now I must cover your expenses of just going out, but you know very well that you are not working, but you just wanna
akuyona inkinga leyo ekhulumayo. Awukhulumi
I'm
nje
asking,
inkinga.
no.
Awukhulumi, ayikona nje inkinga lokukhuluma.
I'm asking.
Yazi ngitsho uzongitshela ngenye into.
No, I'm asking. I just want to know. Because most girls, uthola amantombazana, because in a way, are you gonna be a wife material?
Njengoba ngikuchazela ukuthi mina ne I like somebody who's going to be like, "Hey mama, we lapho." Hey mama, or like, okay, that's nice. Like somebody who's going to be like, you know. So obviously I am going to be a wife material.
So mangakunqabela ithi awuyilapha ukwati.
Awu mhlawumbe uyobe ngisiza, mhlawumbe bengizongena engozini yemoto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How kanti still leyo mali sasayiveka. Kulungile musa.
What if sekuthela ngeacid? Yeah, lendoda le.
Makuthi
nabantu besifazane.
No. Mawuthi
Ba-
ngicelile
danger
shame
us.
ukuthi ngicela uya kwi branch nabangani yami nabangani bami mhlawumbe sihlala noTshana nobani bani mhlawumbe so shama cocktail cocktail ayibo ngephi awu kahle nibo ngitshele nje athi sizobuya ngo5 or ngo6 ayi
U5 one nasekuseni.
hayi wasekuseni
Oh ntamba.
mhlawumbe ngizobuya ngo12 kenze phela nihlale nixoxe kuze kuze.
Okay. And what makes a woman like a wife material in your own perspective? Because there are a lot of people who claim to be wife material, but they don't seem to understand the concept. They just put that thing, because of mina, ngihlezi ngisendlini, discipline, I can be a wife material. Most of the time, uhlala bukele Netflix, but that person calls herself a wife material. Or uhlala YouTube or TikTok, but who's busy on a wife material, not understanding the term or the meaning of that. Like in your own perspective as a woman, because I'll talk from a perspective of being a guy. Like, how do I understand the concept of like a wife material? I might not be precise. How, like, is it exactly? Is it like that? Is it like a precise how can I put it? Like, is it valid or not? So, what makes a woman a wife material?
Mina nengokukhula kwami nanokubona kubantu abadala ne ukuthi like ma uyi wife material like awuqebhezi like indlela yakho yokugqoka iyashintsha nangendlela oyiphatha ngayo iyashintsha yabo. So like thola ukuthi like uyapheka uyacleana, like you care about your partner. Yeah, that's what I know. What is wife material like? Yeah, you clean, you wash and stuff. Yeah, that's wife material.
Because someone would say, there'd be a guy, maybe Obega Shade, Nomund, and they were both working, and in whatever that they do, they would meet each other halfway. And still the woman would still wash, clean, cook. But she's also a wife material. Then there would be someone like now now that otherwise they don't meet halfway. Yes. Now the man he has to be a provider. You see, and make sure that everything is covered. Yeah, and her job is just to watch, clean, and cook. In your own perspective, those two, are they both wife materials?
Like, okay, wife material, enjoy being issue. I don't think, okay. I think I mentioned housewife. I think I was saying housewife because if now you are wife material and you are both doing 50-50, then obviously konda ukuthi wena ezinye izinto uyazinciphisa njana ukuthi uye out ebusuku uyogroove uyenza ukuthi nokuthi, but masenindawonye kwi relationship you'll obviously have to help each other halfway. Like if it's like ngisize yabo mawuthi mina ngipheke rice mawuthi siyapheka wena uzopheka rice mina ngizopheka ukari noma mhlawumbe mina ngizopheka wena uzowasha izitsha or mina wena uzoqoba mina ngizopheka bese siyawa yabo kuba kanjalo noma sizothatha imali yethu sihlanganisele uanti ozosiza with terms of ironing washing
ukhona
we both working angithi it's 50-50
Yeah.
oh
mina number
okay.
one
It's understandable
since I'm a wife material and I'm working ezinye izinto empilweni yami ngizinciphisile like lifestyle yami I'm no longer free sengingokwakho right although ngingokwakho sihlangana halfway khona ezinye izinto soyithu singesizenze angithi nawe uyasebenza nami ngiyasebenza so ubani ozohamba uyoclean ubani ozohamba uyowash you get me so obviously we're going to have to have a helper somebody who's going to help us with those chores but in terms of cooking maybe I enjoy cooking maybe I'll cook maybe you'll wash dishes maybe so like so hlanganisa imali phela obviously ama expenses ayanyuka masinganayi availability
okay khona into futhi ngifuna uyi-understand like I want you because you've stayed emakhaya you know impilo yasemakhaya but now I'm sorry but I have to say this you look like a city girl you see and have you ever been told ukuthi you look like Cindy Makhathini
Cindy Makhathini
you know her uyamazi
no
umazi
she looks exactly like her indeed
unamanga
guys what do you think in the comment section do you think she looks like
how
Cindy Makhathini
crush usinemakhathini crush yakho
Your duty crash.
oyi ngikaze ngathi Cindy Makhathini crush yakho
usinemakhathini ibhedi aseThekwini aseGoli aseCape Town ibhedi uyamazi
okay I feel like mina ngifuna ngiphendule kuloko okay this is what I wanted to ask like from someone like umuntu esimame obuya emakhaya ungana makeup natural hair ungayenzanga ama eyelash ungafakanga like lip gloss obviously with that woman us as niggas we see someone that you would not spend much on kuye but with someone on ama eyelash ofaka ama weave ofaka abo lip gloss and stuff we see ukuthi the budget is like the bar is too high for us as niggas that's why most gents kuba into yokuthi mabathatha umuntu esimame they would take someone from the rural areas because they want someone ozohlala endlini that they wouldn't spend much on but in terms of building the house not building the person not Pela if like I'm with a lady that I would every month have to service your weave your whatever whatsoever what am I investing in what are we investing in us as niggas that's why Pela I think one of the niggas have once said this on some other platforms Uguti you can't drive a Ferrari like 7 days a week but you can drive a Ferrari on a Friday because you know it chows a lot of petrol you see but you can drive a Kwid yeah you can drive a Kwid or you can drive a Toyota Quest or Lama Hyundai i20 7 days a week and it would still help you get through the month
Polo uthi umkhona zipolo it's a small car
ubhlungu ngithanda izinto
yeah
like ubhlungu ngithanda izinto ezinhle like mina I don't feel okay without lashes or hair but as much as I would want to be the one who is special but there is someone there for you who treat you special
angeke ucompromise wena
abafana abantu besilisa
yeah
so by side check
ngathi hawo kanti sengibuza umbuzo offensive yini
yeah
no but I'm just stating fact ukuthi Tina as niggas how do we view things like
so
the
like,
truth need to be out
we look
there
like side chick material yeah.
no That's not.
akumnandanga ngoba
akumnandanga
yeah
akumnandanga
mm.
yeah like mhlambe mawukuthi ukanje yabo njenganami mhlambe if ngikanje and I'm a virgin then makathatha
But futhi you've said it. Abantu abafani.
yeah bafana abantu but if I'm looking for like a person like lo like if ngifuna umzulu umuntu
'Cause
like
yabona
proper,
nami with my perspective nami
yeah bathanda
every nigga would want to see umuntu wakamuhle and I would do everything in my power to make umuntu wami ukuthi abe muhle. That's why ladies uthola ukuthi ama nails that they're being done this and that is being done, you see.
nails makeup nama eyelash nani
Yes,
ngimuhle nje manje
yes umuhle but
Ngiyabukeka
I can
nje.
spend that money on other things
kanjani uzowenzani usho wena ungakhumusi ngefrontal musana ukudlala ungakhumuzi ngefrontal umuphi umuzi wakwakhiwa ngefrontal umuphi umuzi wakwakhiwa ngewifu
ufuna nginabi because mina ngichazela ngishintshe
awuchazele ukuthi ungakhani
phela lamunye amawivu
ungakani nge-installation.
Okay, let me tell you.
amunye
No.
ayadura
Let me tell you what gets it to an amount ukuthi ungagcina wakha.
ifrontal
If I
yodwa
no listen,
forever.
listen. Yabona if into eshaya a lot of gents, to be honest with you, especially because abantu abaningi mabafika la eGoli, that's where they get confused. And yini abaconfusayo uthola umuntu one standard esekumele maintain. And when you have a standard esekumele maintain in a way, like for me, when I look at it, it's one of the like it's part of your expenses now. So that lowers your budget. In a way, there's a certain portion of money that's being cut out of the money that you are making.
yeah
You see, and that money, if you were to times it like, if I can maybe like plus your nails and whatsoever, everything, combine it, maybe to make like let's just say maybe for an example 800 or 900. If I can save that money for like 2 years, it makes up a lot of money. I can start something with that. Into ebula, that's why kunalento yokuthi amadoda ahamba emakhaya ezeGoli but umuntu wakhona akakhanga emakhaya. That's what makes that.
uthini
Mina, with how I'm seeing it, you see, cause mabefika lana, cause now it's not just I'm not saying it's because of you guys, but also naye uzoba ne lifestyle of izinto sekumele as maintain, like having a car, having this, having that. So now you end up running out of funds of saving for that particular thing that you wished for, cause ukwakha it takes time than nokuthi uthenge imoto. You can't angeke uboleke it take if to build your credit score and you get it. Tell maybe an amount of 500,000. It would take you a lot of time to make that credit score good, so that you can, cause so ukwaka it's like climbing it's step ladder, like from it's like climbing from here to there, which is impossible. But getting a car is like climbing here to here. It's possible. I can do it.
But like if wena uyangibona like ngisebenzela ngizenzela mina ungifice nginje yabona ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuzenza mawuzi nawe uyabona ukuthi awukhona ukungisiza ngokuthi then shuthi angene kwakho and ayinokuthi ku compulsory yabo, cause I think nawe mawufika kumuntu nawe ube honest ungaqamba amanga because most enza abantu besilisa
Yes.
bafika ngamanga
That's the thing.
bashela ngamanga
Yes.
uyibonile intombazana ukuthi nje so in order for me at the end of the day bafethi isimilo sesamile kumele sishelwe kumele sichazwe kumele sithengelwe ama bouquet kumele sishiwe ama shopping kumele siye kuma dates all of that is part of being a man like ukushare like the olden days. So if now ubona ukuthi le ntombazane le izongichallenge ngisafuna ukulungisa i-credit score yami ngisafuna uba nemoto ngisafuna uba nomuzi then obviously now uyayitshela ukuthi okay yazini angiboni sokuthi nomuntu ngamfica because awumazi naye lo sisi ukuthi wenzani usabe nje owusebenza uyamazi usebenza cha ubona intombi yakuchaza angithi so ungamsheli lo muntu uyapi ken uyapi iya kunomuntu okufanele yakuyithapi yakho qoma umuntu okowakho
Yeah.
musu ukuthi wena kambe thini le joke guys kambe thini
Yeah.
stop trying to break a plate to fit in a class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kanti nina abantu besifazane mostly why ningakholelwa kwi natural beauty?
Oh shame. Mina
Yeah.
ngiyayithanda inwele.
Yes.
Inhliziyo yami yonke ngiyawathanda ama weave like it's my happiness like I love having new hair. I love the way I look with my hair. Mind you isiphongo sami silala.
Yeah.
So I am insecure. And akekho ngishelayo mangingekho nje.
Oh.
Hayibo Nkosi. Hayi.
But yeah, in high school, like I didn't have a boyfriend from high school. The guy, like, ngizangaqoma ngoba sengizohethwa nakhona futhi ngisago wakulando. Yeah, so high school like no. Bebengangishilo high school. Like bebengangishilo bana.
So uyibona ukuthi uphelele mone weave unama
Ngiphelele.
hey. Okay, then ke mina ke as your boyfriend. Tolly clubbing so. Mase sifike endlini sengibona obunye ubuso.
Kusho ba uthi ngizoma nawe?
No, just an example.
Example.
Yes.
Sengisolile.
So uyavuka lapho so ungomuntu.
Ngizobusula yini ubuso?
Uzolala na yonke lento. Yeah. Okay.
I had this one friend. No, like lo ngaxabana naye emsebenzini.
Yeah.
Like wangixoxela ukuthi yena njalo like my boyfriend wakhe. As a boyfriend wakhe wahlangana naye eklabhini.
Yeah.
Ne, and then wayengixoxela naye ukuthi yena njalo my boyfriend wakhe wayevuka ekseni asule makeup. Aphinda ayifake kabusha. Avule empedini.
Umsebenzi ongaka.
Tshela. No, but ngimuhle without everything, but I just love it personally.
So, like, more you keep your makeup, like, do you become that different?
No, I mean, I don't always wear makeup, but ngiyayithanda makeup. Yeah.
Yeah, kwabanye baba different.
I don't need makeup. Like, I think you've seen me somewhere without makeup, and I'm fine with it.
Yeah, there's a skit of shoot no magata.
There's
no,
a lot of skits I've
no
have.
cuties, and
All
there's no
of my
makeups there.
skits, all of my skits, I don't makeup.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
I saw.
But I love makeup. Personally, ngiyayithanda, and I'm good with it.
Okay, tell me about that. How did you meet Abo Magata Tatis? Let's start with Magata.
Umagata,
Usamthanda miyeza ne?
Yeah, siyamthanda.
Okay, Umagata, it was like u3, so u3 because mina ngacela u3 ukusebenza naye ne sashaya shoot no3 and then we came back to a hostel. He asked me and then ngahlangana no Chatist and then through Chatist we met Umagata. But before all of that all of the other skits I've ever done. Like I've done I started with Uspe, ne? Uspe ngahlala naye emsebenzini eyihlelele.
Uspe skits.
Uspe skits. So he was a very cool guy. Ngahlala naye. I was like, "Hey Brown John." I was like, "Hey, yabo, it's cool." Ngamphatha kahle. And then ke wangisiza wangitshela ukuthi yazini I'm shooting on this day. And after that I had the experience. So I started shooting with his team like Abo Mtolomba and stuff. And I did skits like Umakasbahle. I did into unkosikazi kaMdolomba uchithayo, and I did into Mgasiphe ehamba namadoda ahamba nabafana bepholo. And then after that ngahlangana like noMthandeni. I was like
Mthandeni SK.
Yeah, like Dlamini Star. And I was like
Umthandeni uDlamini Star. Hey, that guy.
Yo. I couldn't hold myself. I was like, as in ngakhona. Now when I was like,
I wanna meet that guy. That guy is like is naturally funny. That guy.
Dope.
And his content, he knows exactly what his audience wants. Yo, that guy is something else. Shout out to him one time.
Mind you, Wang fitter in, yabo, and stuff. And I was like, I'm Tsela, wavuma, yabo. Then after Yimi, it was Leo Magata, and I also went to khona lengisho ukuthi malanga wafani edlala SBC 1 kana khona kathi uzoba strip ngathi ubayi ngiyaya I'm going athi ngiyoba stripper.
Why?
Ngile
What the value, that's just a shoot.
But you know when you're an opportunist now ukuthi if you want to make it in life you will make sure ukuthi you grab any you open doors. You knock on every door until they open. Yes, that is me. That's what I've always told myself. Ukuthi angeke ngize ngife ngingazamanga. So yeah.
So you love content creation, ane?
Ngenze drama high school. I'm in love with acting.
Yini lewo uyifunda college? Because you did mention about it.
Oh yes. So right now ngiyafunda ne. Ngenze public relations. Something different. Yeah. It's not drama.
Yeah, it's PR. Yes, it's not something different. It's something that it's a norm. People are used to that. PR. Yeah, it's yeah. I know.
Now phone when a backup.
Isikolo sibalekile ne?
Yes, sibalekile isikolo kakhulu. Sibalekile isikolo, balekile ukuthi ufunde, kubalekile nje. Whatever you're doing, makuthi you chasing your dream, but just try by all means ukuthi ufunde. And it's not every school that allows you to attend. Yabo. Sometimes you can try freelance. Mawuthi uzokhona ukuspana ukusebenza uhlanganise lo mali. Ukuthi ukhokhe because we have Menkoza, we have UNISA. There are so many, we have 2 schools, right? They are like open for you to study online. But there are some schools that allow you to go to freelance. If you want to go to this place, you can go. If you want to go there, you can. So, yeah. But
a person like you is beautiful like you would just get a man who's gonna do things for her, like, you know, like everything.
Oh, people are open.
Vele ngabe ngibuza wena. Is a nice guy.
No.
Vele ngibuza wena nami angithona wazi
But you're still young. Maybe.
Ngibe ngasamfuna.
Yo. Okay.
Ngibe ngasamdingi. But okwamanje shame ku right ukuthi ngiyiphandele eish.
Yeah.
Ku right ukuthi ngiyisebenzele ngizamile mina ngokwami and stuff. Yeah.
But ngizokuthiwa wena uhamba ngama flights mode from Devon to JHB to Devon uhamba ngama how. You are living large mfethu. Kanti why life is why do you make it, why do you have to make life sounds like it's difficult for you?
Now eat dreams. There was eat dreams.
Dreams.
E-Dreams are the app called E-Dreams.
Mm-mm.
Search online. Like I was flying with 350.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From where to where?
From Joburg to Tegwini, you can fly with 350.
I went.
Ah.
Serious?
Also, it's true. Very good to fly. Yeah, madoda. Ziyakhala manje, ziyakhala man.
Got 350, uyawazi ukudiza ku 350 because ibhasi malini ibhasi? Ibhasi 350 to something. How 100 rand nje? Yeah. I was
Umuntu
fly.
like igijima eThekwini nje uyayisokolisa.
Khona
Ngabe
indiza
uyendiza. Khona indiza ngabe?
Inde.
Hayi, sazokwesiyibona. Okay. No, it's fine. But anyways, I feel like when in your experience, I feel like there are a lot of people here try like to lure you with money. There are a lot of people here try like to impress you in life. You know, like what would you say to young girls who are also victimized? Abanye uthola ukuthi they are in a dark place just because of that. When you didn't allow that to happen to you, but there's somebody out there who couldn't like be very cautious about decision making when it comes to certain things. Like, what would you say to such a person at this day and time? Like, you know what? No matter what life throws at you, you can still bounce back. Like, what did you say to such like ladies like that, to young ladies who have been victimized by such things and who have went through such things and stuff?
What I can say advising ina ukuthi ungamboni umfana ekuthengela ama champagne ubone ukuthi alright because kuyenzeka ukuthi lo champagne uthele nge-discount. Ungaboni umfana egqoke impahla eGucci and stuff. Kuyenzeka ukuthi isimo street. Ungakuboni konke lokho ukuthi like ungathembeli emntwini ukuthi okay njengoba nje lo mfana nje ubephethe imali kanje mhlawumbe impilo yami izoshintsha ngaye, because that is not true. Ayikho into ezoshintsha ngaye. Wena all you gotta do is work hard wherever yebo umsebenzi ayikho ne nami ngisazama guys, ngisazama. I would like to have a job, angifuni qamamanga, but kuhle ukuthi uzame ubekezele ne whatever comes your way, even if it came fast or whatever. Funda ukuzithanda wena, funda ukuzibeka wena phambili, funda ukuzihlonipha wena, because njengamanje isimilo sethu sesiwile kakhulu, yebo. Like indlela sesiphatha ngathi na sonke zamantombazane, availability yethu ngathini nje isi higher, so asancengeki. So if umfana engafuni ukuncenga miyeke, yabo, and awumdingi, udinga lo ozofuna wena, ozothanda wena. Nawe futhi kuyomela uzithande wena, ufuna ukuba nawe wena, uzihloniphe ngazo sonke isikhathi. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi kusasa uzoba umama. Like ungakhohlwa ukuthi kusasa uzoba u-aunt, you're going to be something one day. If they laugh at you today, tomorrow they will smile at you. So you must always be brave and respect yourself. That's just all I can say.
Wow. Okay. Is there anything that you'd like to say from the end before I wrap it up?
One. Please like, share, comment.
Are you planning to have kids?
I wish.
You wish. Not now.
My kids. Yo, even now, even tomorrow, call me.
Really?
So when anytime is tea time?
A cake.
Kids.
Kids?
Oh no.
Oh.
How? But uthini kan gigs?
Gigs.
Ngitho mhlawumbe uthi ngiyaplana yini ukuthi ngiyoshootha and stuff.
Kids.
Hayi. Mhlambe mase ngishadile mhlambe ngashaya ibreak ya 9 months. Sengiyibuyisela.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Zoyibuyisela kumnikazi wayo.
Oh.
Ayigcine. Yeah, I know. Guys, ziyaphi ingane?
Huh.
Ay.
Yo, Awufuna abantwana kanti?
Hayi.
Asikisi ke kumaqondana.
Maqondana. Hayi maqondana mfethu
Mancane.
mancane. Hayi ngeke maqondana.
Kancane
Ngisazama mfethu. Angibe right.
Yeah.
Sizobona after.
Ngihlala ekhaya 9 months. Holiday.
Yeah.
Kamele ngivutane ngiye Dubai.
Ah.
Yeah, ngikwi holiday phela ngiyo experimenta.
But it would be nice, yo. I can imagine.
Hlala
I
ekhaya for
can
9 months.
imagine being a woman. Ngibe pregnant. Ngihambe ngihlala eDubai for 9 months. Just spend that whole time. Like how? Yeah, ne. That
No
would-
manje yeah ngiye kwi holiday
be a
for
good
9
life.
months. Yeah.
That would be a good life.
Ngibo housewife.
Switch off your
9
phone.
months.
Or call everyone in the family. Uhluphe wonke umuntu, fonela umuntu asemsebenzini.
Given a holiday for 9 months.
Umtshele kahle ukuthi ungibona nje
Yo.
ngirelaxe kabi kabe angifuni next.
Yazi ngisho nasemsebenzini bakudedela ukuthi uhambe.
But anyways, thank you for coming. It's been a pleasure to have you on the show. Hoping we'd work
More.
one day.
No,
or next
that's one
time.
day we will work.
All right. Okay, cool.
Sizosebenza.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still gonna work.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Yeah.
With that being said, is there anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, since ubongile yeah, siyabonga.
Nami ngiyabonga ukuthi ibe nami ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibukile
Yeah.
abaze bafika.
Awusasho uhamba nomngane wakho ngapha.
Akasasho lozo na
Hey,
wethu
uChina.
wethulele du.
Why bambiza China vet? It's because of she look like a China vet.
Hey,
Uyichai.
she's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm a China.
Hey. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Ngicela ushare ama socials wakho and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay, noluthando kubona iFacebook, iTikTok and Instagram. _Makubuni. Hey guys, uyangishare underscore ne?
Yeah, and the guys, just to follow, don't send any message. There are too many messages already. Oranjan. Like your account is influx of messages, so we don't.
Mama ibalekile imessage uzongi-emaila.
Oh yes,
Makuhle.
send an email.
Makungumsebenzi.
Yeah.
Send i-email.
Anything besides that, keep it to your chest, guys. Yeah, but anyway, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is your boy Let's CM, and we are out.
Bye. Sobonana ngelinye ilanga.